Welcome to the Lantern Light AI Newscast number 61. Smarter machines, longer lives, bigger breakthroughs. Made by Chris Morley. In Boston on Sunday, May 31st, 2026 at 8:01 p.m. UTC. OpenAI is tying its latest deep research tool directly to its AGI ambitions, while brain cell computers edge closer to store shelves and a new wearable can read your silent thoughts. On the science side, a superconducting sensor just shattered energy detection records. A naked mole rat gene is giving mice longer lives, and longevity researchers are now treating aging itself like a disease. Now, a story from the world of artificial general intelligence. OpenAI has described its deep research capability as a significant step toward artificial general intelligence, a system the company defines as able to perform complex reasoning across domains at a level comparable to human experts. The announcement frames current large-scale AI tools not as endpoints but as milestones on a longer path toward AGI. Researchers across the field broadly agree that safety and robustness must be built into any AGI system from the ground up to prevent unintended harm. The timeline for reaching true AGI remains genuinely uncertain, with estimates among leading scientists ranging from years to decades. Up next, a finding from the labs. Scientists have built an ultra-sensitive sensor capable of detecting energy levels below 1 zeptajoule, a unit so small it defies everyday comprehension. The breakthrough, reported in late May 2026, relies on superconducting materials that respond to the faintest possible energy signals. Researchers say the technology could open new doors in fields ranging from medical imaging to fundamental physics research. A zeptajoule is 1 sextillionth of a joule, making this one of the most sensitive energy detection systems ever demonstrated. Full details on the materials and research team were published through Science Daily. Up next, a headline from across science and technology. Scientists at the University of Rochester transferred a longevity-related gene from naked mole rats into mice, and the recipient mice showed extended lifespan according to findings published last month. Naked mole rats are well known for living far longer than other rodents of similar size, making them a long-standing focus of aging research. Separately, a 2025 clinical study found that SGLT2 inhibitors, a class of diabetes drugs, appear to increase telomere length in patients, raising the possibility that existing medicines could become anti-aging tools. Researchers are now calling for head-to-head trials comparing SGLT2 inhibitors with GLP-1 drugs to assess which offers stronger longevity benefits. Now, a story from the world of biological computing. Australian startup Cortical Labs launched what it described as the world's first commercialized biological computer at a conference in Barcelona in early March 2025. The device uses living human brain cells grown in the lab and placed on silicon circuitry, allowing software to be deployed directly to biological tissue. Separately, a laboratory outside Cambridge has been developing its own system using around 200,000 lab-grown human neurons connected to electronic hardware. Researchers in both cases say living cells offer potential advantages over traditional chips, including self-repair and energy efficiency, though the technology remains at an early stage. Now, a story from the world of non-invasive BCI neural wearables. Researchers at the University of Technology, Sydney have developed a portable, non-invasive system capable of decoding silent thoughts by reading neural signals through the scalp. The technology represents a significant step forward for brain-computer interfaces that require no surgery or implanted hardware. Market analysts tracking the neural interface sector project strong growth in non-invasive devices as the technology matures and moves closer to consumer and clinical applications. Scientists say the ability to translate internal speech into readable data could eventually help people with conditions that impair communication, though widespread deployment is still considered years away. Now, a story from the world of longevity research. Researchers studying aging are increasingly exploring whether the process itself can be treated as a medical condition, though scientists caution that human trials remain far off. Danish longevity expert Morten Scheibe Knudsen has drawn attention for his personal regimen, which includes regular cycling, the diabetes drug metformin, and an NAD plus booster. Meanwhile, large-scale studies such as the Long Life Family Study and the Integrative Longevity Omics Study, both funded by the U.S. National Institute on Aging, continue enrolling participants across the United States and Canada to identify biological markers linked to exceptional lifespan. Researchers say the findings could eventually reshape how medicine approaches aging.
Today's program is brought to you by Lantern Light AI. This newscast was automatically generated using custom software written in Python and JavaScript that Chris Morley built from scratch using Claude Code. The newscast content is automatically generated from internet sources. The realistic avatar is animated by AI. The look of the avatar is customizable using one headshot image as the input, and it can be a real person or an imagined one. This newscast features an imagined avatar. Any similarity to real people is purely coincidental. Please note that Chris Morley is a seasoned software architect currently available for inquiries seeking help using AI to build, run, and maintain modern web applications, cloud systems, databases, streaming data pipelines, search engines, interactive 3D graphics, as well as other high-performance software services at scale. If the avatar or the newscast format interests you and you would like to see something like this customized for your business use case, please email Chris Morley at chris.morley@lanternlight.ai. If you enjoyed this, subscribe and share with your friends. More science, tech, and AI news coming soon. Thanks for watching.